What was the overall motto and goal behind selecting this university?
As you have already told us, that it is the best university of Russia.
Mhm.
So the main motto was that only,
Mhm.
to study in the best university.
Mhm.
And yes.
Hello, very good morning. This side Chhatradhari Mandal, Managing Director of International Training and Consulting Services Private Limited, Bangalore. It's a very proud moment for us. Today we are traveling for Kazan Federal University, Russia, and along with us Jyotsna from Punjab.
Yes.
So, in this video, we'll try to understand that how is the overall experience of Jyotsna with ITCS,
Yes.
how is the support system, and how overall we got this opportunity to go for Kazan Federal University. So, hi Jyotsna, very good morning.
Good morning, sir.
So, Jyotsna, you have selected one of the best university of Russian Federation,
Yes, sir.
basically Kazan Federal University.
Yes.
What was the overall motto and goal behind selecting this university?
As you have already told us, that it is the best university of Russia.
Mhm.
So the main motto was that only,
Mhm.
to study in the best university.
Mhm.
And yes.
Okay. So when you planned for this particular university, like have you searched anything in internet or directly, like the sir has decided you have to go for Kazan Federal and you have to choose this?
No, he decided that she'll go in Kazan Federal,
Mhm.
and he trusted you blindly for that.
Mhm.
So yeah, that was the main reason.
Okay. So
Yes.
how you found the overall support from our side for the all the services, all the guidance? Like you know that during this entire process of the journey,
Yes.
there was an entrance exam.
Yes.
First of all, sir has a doubt that whether she will qualify the exam or
Not.
because he already got the multiple news that many students are not clearing the
Yes, sir.
entrance exams and all that.
Yes.
So how you found the support from our side basically for that?
So it was 101%. It was so good, and that overall experience was the best.
Mhm.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, like almost you have done your 15 to 20 of online classes also for the.
Yes, sir.
So, how you found overall experience with the university faculty, their curriculum, and their strictness into the system?
No, I don't think there's any strictness or something, but yes, they are very particular with their rules. But overall experience is very good.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, like after like meeting with many of your classmates also during this
Yes, sir.
particular session, what was the overall experience or excitement to go to this particular university?
Yeah, earlier I was very nervous about this, but by the time it's okay. Like, of course, we have to do something in our future. So yeah, overall experience is very good.
Okay. Thank you and many best wishes from our side. One thing definitely I'll suggest and I'll say to all the students, in terms of non-academic part, we are always behind you for the providing support.
Yes.
Related to academic sections, it's your sole responsibility. You have to choose the one of the top university of the Russia,
Yes,
and
sir.
accordingly you have to perform also throughout the year. Then only we can complete the dream of becoming a doctor.
Yes, sir.
So many best wishes from our side,
Thank you, sir.
and do best in your life.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Sir,
Thank
please
you,
come. नमस्कार सर.
नमस्कार जी।
आपने सर इंटरनेट से मुझे ढूंढ करके पकड़ के लाया, करेक्ट ना? और आज हम लोग साथ में ट्रैवल करने के लिए
मैं
planning कर रहे हैं.
इनफैक्ट इंटरनेट से नहीं,
हाँ.
मैं किसी के थ्रू ही आपको पाया हूँ
अच्छा. हाँ सर.
और वो सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट में जॉब करते हैं।
अच्छा.
उनके थ्रू आपके बारे में पता चला मुझे कि
हाँ. तो आपको
Two
सर
to
जो
three
जो
year-
उन्होंने आपको जो फीडबैक दिया मेरे बारे में, आई डोंट नो क्या दिया, किसी तरह की कोई कमी रही सर हमारे सर्विसेज में जहां आपको मैं सपोर्ट नहीं किया, गाइड नहीं किया या चीजें?
नहीं, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है।
हम्म.
अगर देखा जाए तो डे 1 से लेके आज तक
हम्म.
जो भी हमारी क्वेरीज थी बिल्कुल नीट एंड क्लियर उसकी रिप्लाई आई है।
हम्म.
जो भी हमारे डाउट्स थे 100% सेटिस्फैक्ट्री रहे, क्लियर किया गया है और कुछ भी हाइड नहीं था।
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू।
थैंक यू।
डेफिनेटली सर, मैं अपनी तरफ से एक कमिटमेंट जो हमारा हर स्टूडेंट के साथ है, बेसिकली आप समझ सकते हैं कि मैं इन बच्चों के लिए ही यहाँ भी खड़ा हूँ,
रियली
है ना। तो जो हमारा कमिटमेंट है वो हमेशा सभी के साथ ऐसा ही रहेगा। बट एक चीज़, यूनिवर्सिटी के एकेडमिक पार्ट्स में हमारा कोई रोल कभी भी कहीं नहीं होता है, वहाँ बच्चों को ही परफॉर्म करना है।
बिल्कुल।
बाकी चीज़ों के लिए सर हम लोग ऑलवेज विद द स्टूडेंट्स फॉर एवरी सपोर्ट, एंड थैंक्स फॉर गिविंग सर्विस।
थैंक यू सो मच।
थैंक यू।
Kazan Federal University was established by presidential decree and merged with 6 other universities of the Republic of Tatarstan in 2010. Biomedicine and pharmaceutics became one of the top priorities for Kazan Federal University. The Institute of Fundamental Medicine and Biology was established on the basis of Faculty of Biology and Soil Science to develop these areas. These decisions align perfectly with the strategy of the Russian technological development and transition to personalized medicine and high-tech healthcare. The establishment of Medical Simulation Center and Medical Engineering Center became a major impetus for the development of innovative educational technologies for the Institute of Fundamental Medicine and Biology. The center provides students with opportunities to train and enhance their skills in basic assistance to patients, as well as in complicated surgical procedures with the help of digital technologies. Several universities in Japan purchased these technological solutions to model their own centers, which further proves the innovative value of our educational technologies. Products developed by universities' programmers permit students to perceive information on a virtual level with the help of augmented reality that facilitates and accelerates acquisition of new knowledge and skills. The university focuses on a perfectly balanced combination of theoretical and practical aspects of education and research, followed by appropriate tests and exams.